Morning, everybody. It's 8:42 on this Monday, the 9th of September. This is your pre-opening comment video number 2242. And we have Asia slightly lower, and we have Europe slightly higher. Earlier when I came in, we had the Dow up 250, the NASDAQ up 135, and the S&P up about 36. Right now, the S&P is up about 35, so that's pretty much right in line. The Dow is up 249, so also right in line, and the NASDAQ is up 130, so that's really not giving back much. We had a big move back up, a bounce, if you will, in the Mag 7 stocks and most technology. There's not a lot of news this morning. We have at 10 o'clock, we have wholesale inventories expected to be up slightly. And this afternoon at 3 o'clock, we have July consumer credit. This is, I think, an important number, seeing as in my narrative last night I mentioned that, used the wrong word, defaults, but there are deficiencies. 12% of consumer credit card debt is not being paid, is overdue, and that doesn't take into consideration the 46% that are just making minimum payments. These people are not even making minimum payments. So as far as the strength of the consumer, I would say that that is strongly in question. And of course, last week we had the numbers from the lower end of that spectrum, Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and those stocks were crushed by 20 to 25% on lower spending at that end of the spectrum. We have Apple saying that they're going to use ARM's chip technology for artificial intelligence. The product event is today. We have the Google antitrust trial starting today, and we have two new stocks going into the S&P. Both are substantially higher. The first is Palantir, 32.82, up $2.50 or 8.2%. It's going to replace American Airlines on the 23rd of September, and Dell, which is 107.57, up 5.57 or 5.5, will replace Etsy, also the same day. As far as the futures go, we have the grains a little bit higher. We have oil bouncing back about 75 cents. Heating oil is up about 3 cents. Same with gasoline. Nat gas is down about 7 cents. Gold is up around $9. Silver up 36 cents. We have cotton up a little higher, only a quarter. We have coffee up $4, sugar down a little, cocoa up a little. We have the dollar up about 36 cents, and we have the bonds down 11/32. So kind of a quiet morning this morning. We do have a bunch of important information coming later in the week, not the least of which I think is the small business optimism tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. But on Wednesday, we have CPI and core CPI. On Thursday, besides claims, we also have PPI and core PPI. We have export prices and import prices on Friday. So the week starts off quiet, but we will pick up a little bit of steam later in the week. All right, folks, all those futures are still basically in line. We'll see if there's any follow-through or whether this is just the oversold bounce. Have a good day.